In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to update your zip code shapes to the newest shapes that are available. If you are a AlignMix Pro trial user, you will not have access to the newest zip code shapes. But if you are using the Pro full version of AlignMix, then your AlignMix shapes will be updated twice a year. Typically around Q2 and Q4, we will send out an email telling you that there are new shapes for your zip codes to be downloaded. And you can follow the instructions in that email to download and install the new shapes. Or you can click here on the File button in the top left, and then you can click on Update Geography. Then choose whether you want to save or not save your file. I'll click on No. And then if there are new shapes for you to download, they will appear here in the drop-down menu. So in this example, you can see here we've got 2020 Q2 shapes, and those are the newest zip codes that we currently have. But when it comes closer to Q4 of 2020, you'll be able to download those shapes from this view or from the email that you will get in your inbox as a pro user.